The dawn of artificial intelligence has ushered in a new era, not just in technology, but in the very fabric of our financial and creative lives. Today, it stands at the forefront of revolutionizing industries, reshaping careers, and redefining art. This transformative journey of AI is not limited to machines and algorithms, however. It's more about the profound impact on our daily lives, particularly in building wealth. But how does AI exactly weave its intricate web in finance, investment, web design, freelancing, and art? How does it turn the ordinary into the extraordinary and the mundane into innovation? Let's uncover the role of AI in wealth creation, exploring its applications that are changing the game in ways we never thought possible. Number 1. Cash flow planning. In the world of business, cash flow is the lifeblood that keeps the wheels turning. It's the difference between seizing opportunities and watching them slip away. However, with AI and machine learning, ML, now stepping into this arena, the way businesses forecast and manage their cash flow has completely transformed. The traditional methods of cash flow forecasting, often riddled with inaccuracies and guesswork, are being replaced by AI-driven solutions that offer precision and foresight. But how does this technological marvel work, and what makes it so effective? At the heart of AI-driven cash flow forecasting is the ability to analyze vast amounts of data. This is not just any data, but historical records of a business's transactions and financial activities. AI algorithms dive deep into this sea of information, identifying patterns and trends that the human eye might miss. For instance, if a business experiences payment delays due to an external factor like a supply chain disruption, AI can predict the potential impact of similar future events. Thus, AI aids in wealth building through risk management. By highlighting potential financial risks and uncertainties, AI allows you to prepare contingency plans. This could mean setting aside reserves during good times to cushion against future uncertainties or diversifying your investments to spread risk. In addition to improving predictability around cash flow processes, AI can also reduce days sales outstanding, DSO, and help maintain fiscal discipline, all crucial elements for financial stability and growth. But AI's role in cash flow management doesn't stop at forecasting. It extends to the realm of accounts receivable (AR) management. Often, AR information is scattered across various systems, making it a Herculean task to compile and analyze manually. AI simplifies this process, bringing together data from different sources and providing a comprehensive view of a business's financial health. AI-driven solutions like Imagia's cash flow forecasting software reduce manual efforts by over 90%, a staggering improvement that not only saves time but also enhances the accuracy of predictions. If you're looking for something different, you might give HighRadius AI-powered real-time cash flow forecasting software a try. This state-of-the-art solution for modern cash flow management stands out for its real-time forecasting capabilities, providing businesses with up-to-the-minute insights into their financial status. The AI component of the software analyses current financial data along with historical trends to generate accurate and timely cash flow forecasts. The tool's AI algorithms are capable of handling complex financial data from various sources, consolidating it into a coherent and comprehensive financial outlook. This consolidation is essential for businesses with diverse income streams and expenses, as it provides a holistic view of their financial health. HighRadius software is also known for its user-friendly interface and easy integration with existing financial systems. This ease of use and integration ensures a smooth transition for businesses adopting the tool, minimizing disruption to their existing financial processes. Now, you might wonder, what if you're not currently running a business and are instead looking to invest? This is where the exciting landscape of AI-driven investing tools comes into play, opening up new avenues for personal investment and wealth growth. Number 2. Investing. 40% of U.S. retail investors are now turning to AI for investment guidance, and this isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental change in how investments are approached. Take ChatGPT, for instance. This AI tool, which has taken the internet by storm, is not just a chatbot. It's a stock-picking genius. Believe it or not, ChatGPT can pick stocks better than many fund managers. That's right, a machine learning algorithm is outperforming human experts who have spent years in the field. How is this possible, you ask? Well, it's all about data. ChatGPT analyzes vast amounts of financial data, trends, and market signals in a fraction of the time it takes a human to blink. It's like a supercomputer crunching numbers and predicting market movements and all of that, too, with surprising accuracy. How accurate, exactly? A portfolio created by ChatGPT was challenged to beat the market, and guess what? It did. StreetBeat, on the other hand, takes a more personalized approach to investing. It uses AI to analyze an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences, along with real-time market data, to provide tailored investment recommendations. This level of customization was once a service available only to clients of high-end financial advisors. Now, AI makes it accessible to the average investor. Users of StreetBeat have reported improvements in their portfolio performance, with some experiencing double-digit percentage gains within months of using the tool. This is particularly impressive when compared to the average stock market return. However, the efficacy of AI in stock picking is still a topic of debate. While AI tools don't suffer from human biases or emotional decision-making, they are not infallible. Their performance is heavily reliant on the quality and quantity of data they are fed. Despite this, the confidence in AI's role in investing is growing. Major corporations are investing heavily in AI for finance. Microsoft's multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, underscores the potential they see in AI-driven financial tools. Number 3. E-commerce optimization. Last but not least, let's take a look at e-commerce optimization through AI tools, a rapidly evolving field, reshaping how online businesses operate and interact with customers. Imagine a world where every click, every search, and every purchase is analyzed to create a more personalized shopping experience. That's happening right now, thanks to AI. Let's start with Visense, an AI software that's designed to enhance the online shopping experience by making product discovery effortless and intuitive. Using advanced image recognition technology, Visense allows customers to search for products using images instead of words. For instance, if a shopper sees a dress they like, they can upload a photo of it, and Visense will find similar items available in the store. This technology not only simplifies the search process, but also personalizes the shopping experience, leading to increased customer satisfaction and higher conversion rates. Visense is particularly useful for fashion and home decor retailers, where visual elements play a significant role in purchasing decisions. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's also ClickUp, an all-in-one suite that helps manage various aspects of a business, from project management to document handling and team communication. ClickUp employs AI to streamline workflow by predicting and suggesting tasks, helping businesses stay organized and focused. Its AI writing assistant feature is particularly noteworthy, capable of generating summaries for task updates, comment threads, and meeting notes. This feature aids in creating action items and ideating content, thereby enhancing productivity. Brilliance is an AI-driven tool that specializes in personalizing the e-commerce shopping experience. It focuses on creating sales through AI-powered product recommendations across web and email platforms. The tool uses machine learning and AI to tailor recommendation strategies, ensuring that each customer receives personalized product suggestions. This personalization extends to cart abandonment recovery, where Brilliance sends customized emails to customers who have left items in their carts, encouraging them to complete their purchases. The AI optimization and business rules applied by Brilliance help in cross-selling and upselling, optimizing website conversions. To end, it's safe to say that the fusion of AI with our daily endeavors is not just a leap into the future, it's a redefinition of possibility. As we embrace these tools, we don't just build wealth, we build dreams, craft new realities, and step boldly into a future where the only limit is our imagination. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.